Hello and welcome. I'm Patrick with Bloomberg Capital, and today we're going to be talking about the price action in silver. Silver has been rising for the last couple of weeks, and the price action looks very interesting to say the least. And today we're going to be talking about on what we can expect, what kind of price targets should be following in the next few weeks and months, and possibly even years. The price structure will be explained by my colleague Henrik, who's our chief market strategist and portfolio manager here at Bloomberg Capital.
So, as already mentioned, price has been rising in the past few weeks and months, but we've also seen a general uptrend here ever since 2020. But in the longer term, we see a big range here. So price has been mostly moving sideways ever since 1980. So a pretty long time. So we should see price develop according to this long-term structure. So what this means is that it is very likely that we reach the top of this range here, which would be at around $41.50. But we are actually seeing a good chance that we rise above this range and enter in the price range of around $60 or even $70. In the short term though, we are seeing a good chance for a sideways period first. This means we should see a big consolidation at the current price level, and price should be moving mostly sideways, as we see interest of most investors is currently on cryptocurrencies, and as we see those lose a bit of their glory, we should see metals as silver rise again and continue the uptrend.
Thanks, and Henrik. I just want to say here that we are recording this video on the 22nd of November 2024. So if anything changes as we are publishing this video a couple of weeks later, due to us pre-recording a couple of videos here for our YouTube channel, as we are currently away with the company on a small journey, we cannot record any videos. So if something changes, we will be putting a comment down below in the comment section as a pinned comment. So if there is no comment to be found, this means that this video is still valid, but you do want to check out the comment section just in case we have changed our outlook just a bit. So moving on to if it's a good time to buy silver or not. Like if I want to establish a position, like if I don't have any position at the moment, what is the best strategy here at this level, and what should I do if I really want to get involved to reap from the rewards of the rising price action in the potential future?
So as always, we recommend dollar cost averaging, meaning you should open several small positions over time instead of just throwing all your money in the market at once. But this is pretty good right now, as in silver. As I mentioned, we are expecting a sideways period. So price should be moving up, down, and so on, which means that a lot of opportunities to open positions should arise. So every time in the short term, when price falls a bit, an opportunity opens to invest in the market.
I would also say that silver currently, if we zoom in the price action just a little bit, is looking really nice from a buying perspective. I think the price might even like rise a little bit here and then come down to test these lows over here. So in the short term, I would also look for trying to buy around here with a really nice invalidation. The invalidation would be just below this candle over here, which is a 24.86. If price continues down lower, we might even enter the prior range, which would not be a good sign. So a nice invalidation is there. So price, if it falls, it's going to be an opportunity as long as we stay above this level over here. And I think this is something that we should keep in mind. Now, where we will be buying silver next, you can check out our Discord server, which is currently a free service by us. We are offering over 100 different stocks, cryptos, and precious metals and mining stocks that we analyze on a daily basis, and we place some buy and sell zones over there. And currently it's completely free, so we urge you to follow us on Twitter and just send us a small message. We will get back to you with the credentials of the Discord, and then you can enjoy our service. That's me, Patrick, here with Bloomberg Capital. Thanks for your attention, and I'll see you next week with Henrik as well.